What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to your daily update on FTT, the FTX token. It has been daily. Usually what I do in these videos is we cover the technicals, but we more so cover the fundamentals. Fundamentals are way more important, especially for FTT right now. And I mean, looking at the technicals without acknowledging the fundamentals, or at least incorporating them into it, you're not going to get an accurate analysis. I'm not saying this will be 100% accurate, but at least we'll do our best, right? So some updates since yesterday. Obviously, the bankruptcy filing of FTX. It has also been hacked. It has been. I knew that. I heard about it. I wanted to talk about that too, but now it's actually on CoinMarketCap as well. All right. Yeah, so it has been hacked. So, we have to wait for that. That was the other fundamental, that there were some rumors going around that it was hacked, which is bad. All right, it's bad. Is it the end of the world? Not necessarily. It's just bearish news piled on top of other bearish news. But I do think now that because of the hack, I mean, even if they stole like 100 million in funds, that would have practically not a lot impact on the prices of crypto, except for the impact that fear has. But I do think that still we would drop down with the FTT token to this level between $1 and $1.5. So purely technically, that's what I expect. And then from there, we'll see again. I think we can hold that. As I said, the hack is just bearish news on top of bearish news. But altogether, I think it's more so going to be about fear that it's causing instead of the real selling pressure that it could cause. So, what I mean with that is that hackers, if they really get access to the funds, like I think they were throwing around numbers like $600 million in different coins. If they want to sell that right now, all at once, like market orders, yes, it's going to crash. But I mean, why would they do that? They can better sell it over time and then get more worth out of it. And 600 million compared to Bitcoin in itself has 40 billion in volume. So it's not that much compared to the entire daily volume. But apart from that, the fear definitely will make a drop. So that's what I expect purely technically. I mean, apart from that, the FTX token volume has been dropping and dropping. We were actually stabilizing a little bit. I would say, obviously, yesterday after the bankruptcy filing, we were bearish again and we dropped down, which I don't really understand because, what did you expect? Obviously, they were going for bankruptcy. But that's, obviously it's still fair because FTX was one of the biggest exchanges and that it managed to fall in like a week. I still remember Sunday last week when we were talking about Binance selling their FTT tokens and look where we are right now. Right, so a lot of things can happen. There's just a lot of fear in the market, even though the economic circumstances around crypto are pretty good. Inflation is dropping, dollar index is dropping. It's still bad. So purely for FTT, I expect us to drop down unless we get some bullish news like that the hack didn't get there. But even if that happens, we would get up to like maybe $3 or 2.5 or 2.75. We wouldn't break above that. So yeah, and I'll be back with more updates on FTT for the future, but expect it to at some point move alongside with BingX. Here we drop down, and at some point it's probably going to move like this kind of. So we'll have a small rally, but that's really for the future. It's way too early to talk about that. So for now, that's my take on FTT or the FTX token. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, take care, stay safe out there, guys, and bye.